Hi there, welcome. My name is Abaid, and I'm excited to share how I can help you take your data analysis and spreadsheet projects to the next level. With master's degree in mathematics and Google certifications in data analysis and business intelligence, I bring a strong foundation in data-driven decision making. My expertise lies in transforming complex data into meaningful insights that drive business success. I specialize in Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, Tableau, and and offering a comprehensive range of data analytics services. From data cleaning and processing to creating dynamic dashboards, visualizing data trends, and automation, I can help you make sense of your data and turn it into actionable insights. I understand specific needs and tailor my approach accordingly. My commitment is to provide you top quality work to exceed your expectations. My portfolio has a range of projects and showcases the variety of work I have done and the impact it has had on my clients. If you are looking for a reliable and detail-oriented data analyst with skills in diverse tools, then welcome, you are at the right place. Let's connect and discuss how I can contribute to handle your data. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you.